A new report is out by International Labour Organization ILO, which 65% of youth in India is jobless. Among the 65%, 53.95% of youth is unemployed in India is below the age of 34. You know the main cause of unemployment in India? Which is skills. Lack of right skills in the freshly graduated candidate and lack of upgrading the skills in already working professionals. Looking into this scenario, we took an initiative of starting Hierarchy. Hierarchy, our team is hailing from institutions, NITs and IITs are here to assist you in distinguishing yourself from the crowd of job seekers. Who we are, what actually we do. At Hierarchy, we are committed to helping individuals finding their dream jobs and enhance their skill set to offer services like placement services and training services. Let me explain in detail of each services. Placement and services. At Hierarchy, we have industry partnership. Through the partnership network, we get openings from various sectors like manufacturing, IT, banking, and so on. Next comes to job matching. We have data of candidates who are registered with us. If any new candidate willing to join Hierarchy Elite Placement and Services team, just visit www.hierarchy.com and register there. Once we get the registered candidates, we will match these candidates with the openings what we have. Once there is a matching, we will take to the next process of resume building. Resume building that will be done under the guidance of our NIT and IIT trainers team. They will help you to build your resume through the AI tools. And next come to interview preparations. We take mock interviews through which we will analyze the places you are lagging, and we will help you to focus over there and make you completely prepared for the interview. At last, we will produce you to that particular matching client company through which unemployment can be reduced through Hierarchy Elite Placement and Services. At training services in Hierarchy, we just don't guide you to get the right skill or upgrade your skill. We will help you to be creative, innovative in that particular skill. Let me give an example. In all the training institutions, what they do is they'll give an assessment and they'll give the duration to complete that assessment. Once after the duration, they'll come up with a single solution and they will explain you that particular solution. But at Hierarchy, we are not like that. We want you to encourage yourself the ideas which you have. So what we do is we will give an assessment and give an duration. Once the duration is over, we will come to each and individual candidate and see what kind of ideas they are come up with. We will give the solution according to the ideas that particular candidate have, which resulting in not vanishing their ideas. We will be providing the solutions along with the ideas, what kind of ideas they have, so which make them to be very innovative, creative in that particular skill. This sets Hierarchy apart in the training services. We have expert faculties from NITs and I help you to stand out from the crowd for being unemployed. And we will be giving hands-on training in which we will not only be focused on giving you the theoretical knowledge, we will be giving practical knowledge along with the case studies also. And very often we'll be providing the assessments and feedbacks will be there. Once after all this training period is over, the placement preparations in which we will take the n number of mock interviews and make you to be good at the interviews. This all the benefits you will be getting out of our training services. At Hierarchy, we are dedicated to shaping your career path for reducing the unemployment. Day to dream, come on, Hierarchy help you to turn those dreams into reality. Start dreaming, dream big, one day you will achieve.